Now, the main way that we do know that we can all individually fight against coronavirus is by doing the three things that WHO talks about, the government talks about, which has been repeated again and again: wearing a mask, keeping distance, and washing your hands. Now, the thing about masks is unless you wear it properly, it doesn't help. Masks are effective only if they cover your mouth, nose, and chin. And however tempting it may be to remove your mask, by doing that, you could expose your fingers and your face to the very virus that you've been trying to avoid. And you may also, if you have been infected by the virus and you're an asymptomatic carrier, you could release the virus to those around you. So let's just take a look at how some of our leaders wear masks, and sadly they've not really been setting a good example. There you can see Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, they're not even wearing a mask. Jagan Reddy as well, not wearing a mask. Let's just bring up some visuals of how and this is Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat, who he's the most recent Union Minister to test positive. And here's a meeting he had just a few days before that with the Haryana Chief Minister, and take a look at that. He's not even wearing the mask properly. He's speaking to the reporters there. So this is all something that needs to be reiterated to the public. Well, to talk more about this, we're joined by Dr. P. Raghuram, President, Association of Surgeons in India. Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining us. And I know this is an issue you feel very, very strongly about, how everybody needs to be told again and again to wear masks properly for their own protection.
Yes, good afternoon. Yes, very much so. Ever since the lockdown has been lifted in phases since the month of June, there is a lot of activity in the community and people are going out and trying to lead normal lives. In this process, it's very important to realize that relaxation of rules does not mean throwing caution to the winds. And that is precisely what is happening. There is a lot of irresponsible people out in the community who are not wearing their masks, and even if they are wearing their masks, they are not wearing them properly. A properly fitted mask along with personal hygiene and social distancing are the three pillars of support to prevent COVID infection. And we must not lower our guard. We must wear our mask properly. Wearing a mask does not mean just wearing a mask. It should cover from the bridge of the nose to the level below the chin. And when applying the mask, we should not touch the front of the mask. We should hold it with our fingertips, with the sides. And after applying the ear loop, we must make sure that the mask sits properly and it fits with the contour of the face. It must actually cover from the bridge of the nose to the level below the chin. It's very important not to touch the front of the mask. And most importantly, which we see very often on television, that prominent people, including politicians and celebrities, they lower their mask when they're giving an address. That is something that should not be done.
Right, absolutely, Doctor. The reason to wear the mask is not just, it's not so much as to provide protection for yourself as it is out of consideration for those around you, that in case you are an asymptomatic carrier, you don't spread the virus and the aerosols around you. That is something that people also need to understand, and which is why everyone needs to wear a mask, because we don't know who could be infected since there's so many people around us who are asymptomatic.
Absolutely. And also we see a lot of people out there buying N95 masks and wearing these masks which have got a valve. And what people don't understand is this valve may protect that individual who is wearing the mask, but the aerosol that comes out of this valve can potentially infect the other person if the person who is wearing the mask has COVID positive infection. So it's very important, first of all, that someone who has not been exposed to COVID should not be misusing the N95 mask in the first place, and the surgical mask and the N95 mask must be left for the use by the frontline healthcare workers, by COVID patients, people who are looking after the COVID patients, and those who are over the age of 60 and those who are immunosuppressed. It's very important not to misuse the N95 mask, particularly those which have got also a valve, which can potentially, create, a lot of damage in the community.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Doctor, for speaking on this.